Hello friends!
Thank you for turning this video. In this video, we're gonna tell you guys how to make French fries. So, stay tuned! The ingredients are 450 grams of potatoes, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1/8 teaspoons of ground pepper, and 80 grams of cornstarch.
Step by step.
First, peel the potatoes, then clean using water. After that, cut the potatoes into cubes. Second, boil the water, then add the potatoes. Wait until the potatoes are cooked. Once cooked, mash the potatoes using a fork. The dough will look like this. Third, season the dough with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and add the cornstarch. Mix thoroughly. Fourth, prepare fruit plastic that has been covered in butter. After that, put the dough in the plastic and flatten the dough like in the video. Fifth, put the dough into the freezer. Wait up to 2 hours until the dough is completely solid. After that, remove the dough from the freezer and then lengthwise like in the video. Six, fry the dough until the color changes to brownish yellow, then lift and drain. Finally, French fries are ready to be served.